Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Udemy discounts up to 90%. Today, we're going to use two applications. We're going to use the Udemy itself, and then we're going to use Reddit. So I'm going to show you how or what to do with Reddit later on. But first, let's start with Udemy. So if you're not familiar, Udemy provides courses, short and long courses that would help you in advancing your career or in your academics. And there's something you need to know. It's the top sale of the month. So make sure to check this out. I believe it's a 3-day sale that basically they already provide you with like 80 to 90% discount. So best to take advantage of that. So for example, here right now, there are a lot of courses that are on sale. So for example, here we have entrepreneurship, how to start a business from an idea. It's currently at 85%. And as you can see, the discount coupon is already applied here. Now, if we check the other um, courses, they are still on for sale. So if you're watching this right now, you might want to head over to Udemy because there's only 1 day left. So be sure to check this out and make sure to enroll these courses while the discounts are still in effect. Now, moving on to Reddit, what you need to do is go to Reddit and then type in r/Udemy freebies. Udemy freebies. Yeah. In this Reddit group, usually there are a lot of uh, Reddit users here that provides legitimate Reddit hacks, if you would like to call them, and they provide here not only discounts but also like they provide websites or links for like free Udemy courses. So it's best to check these out. So for example, here April 4, it's April 4, it's April 10. So let's see if we can redeem this offer right here. And as you can see right there, it's for free. So you can enroll to that course. So there are a lot of it here. The disadvantage with this, however, it might take time for you to like find the course that you want to take, but definitely there are a lot available here. So as you can see, there's Java, script programming in Hindi. So there are quite a lot, and it's not just Udemy actually. Some of these courses are from other websites as well, but most of which are for Udemy. So your decision making for leaders and managers. So you can download this coupon right here. As you can see, there's already an instructor coupon is applied and it's 100% off. So you can take that for free. And yeah, so definitely you can have two choices. You can either go to Udemy to check out their top sale of the month, or you can check out Reddit, specifically go to r/Udemy freebies in order for you to check out some amazing deals and at the same time some free lessons that you might be interested in taking. And that's it for today's video. Hopefully we were able to help you out. If we did, please do not forget to leave us a like and of course subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of these videos. See you again on the next one.